Right, we're going to make lamb curry today, Indian style. It's very simple, it's really delicious, fall off the bone. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we're looking at here is 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of lamb or mutton. Nice meat, little bit of fat, plenty of bone. It's not the best quality of lamb ever, but we're going to make it really, really good. So you can see that I've just added that meat to a larger mixing bowl. I've got 3 cups here of tomato. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. We're going to add 1 cup of onion. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We're going to add half a cup of oil. You can use any oil that you want. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, pepper and garam masala powder. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of what I always call the big 4, chili powder, cumin, turmeric and coriander. And then for the fresh chili today, I'm going with a Scotch bonnet or a habanero. This is extremely hot, but got lovely flavor. I'm just going to crush it in my hand and in it goes. You can see I've got a glove on, and especially because we've got that in there, you don't want to be touching your face after that. I'm going to go in, give it a little mix. So in my pan there, I've got a little bit more oil, maybe a couple more tablespoons. And we're going to be adding 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And we just need to let them do their thing in that little bit of oil just for maybe 20 or 30 seconds. That's just going to really infuse the oil, so don't skip this step. Next up, we're going to drop in our mutton or lamb mixture. It all goes in. We're on a medium heat. Let me just grab all of the contents out there. Medium heat, and I want you to go for 15 minutes. Now look, let's just talk about this guy again. I'm using this today because I just want that beautiful flavor. They are extremely hot, but the flavor is fantastic. If you don't want to use that, you could use regular green chilies, which are slightly less powerful. 15 minutes, stirring fairly often.
All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking.
So you can see that this is coming along really nicely. Most of the tomatoes have broken down and give us that little masala. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just get some water. We're going to completely cover it like that. We're now going to get a lid on that, turn this down to a nice low heat, to a simmer, and let it go for 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so look, I've just turned the heat up now to high. Now that was actually about 40 minutes that went for, so check your meat, make sure it's tender. It's now tender. And then a nice high heat, a big blast for about 5 minutes, just to reduce it down and get a lovely looking masala. Okay, that's looking absolutely fabulous. You know, just a few minutes to let it evaporate out a little bit because it's a bit watery. Now, just to let you know that if your lamb or your mutton was still tough after that 30 or 40 minutes, go again. Just stick the water in again and go again. Off goes the heat. Check it for salt, cilantro or coriander. Beautiful. Well done. And there you have it. Great with rice, great with bread like chapati or roti or something like that, paratha maybe. Just very, very, very good. Nice and tender, tender, tender. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.